It's a part 2 working on a pocket rocket Suzuki. First, rust had to go. I cleaned it properly, used a special primer and white paint to match LM color. Check how clean is this now. Then stock speakers mount, too big, so I installed threaded rivets. And now no more rattles. Then I wrapped the speaker with anti-noise tape, used stainless steel balls plus Loctite, and mounted everything back. Wow, it's super solid. The difference is day and night. Now the fun part, the soundproofing. Working on the inner door skin using STP aerosol, super efficient. All wirings wrapped with the Tesa anti-noise tape, no bass, no vibrations. Seal the door with STP aero, no bass, door card protected, and time for the final check. Dry plus wet cleaning, because a clean car hits different. Plastic door car polished, shine restored. Last detail, loose label on the floor. Fixed it in seconds. That's the professional soundproofing and even some more.